Hey beauties, it's me, E.T., and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been MIA for a while, but I promise you it's for a good reason. So I decided to add a wholesale option to my website because of course I sell charm bracelets if you watched any of my previous videos. So unfortunately I did open them off camera because I was too excited to open them. So I am going to show you what I got. There's a lot in here, so I'm just gonna show you some of the pieces. They did come in like a big bag like this, so there's quite a bit in there. I will have, because I know some people don't, like, you can't pick what you want. So I do have these charms. So if you want to order maybe like 5 or 10 of one style, you can do that. Because a lot of times when you do order them, they do come kind of like this in various styles. So it's kind of hard to really pick out just one. But I do have, I will be offering, I can't really see it. I will be offering this style as well. So this is the other bag. I'm so excited. I think I waited like 3 weeks for these charms to come in, but now that they're here, I cannot wait to get them on the website. Probably by the time you actually see this video, they'll be up. I did get these, but I don't really like them all that much because some of them have some scratches on it, so I don't really want to like offer that if they're scratched up. I also have, I did order just some trays for tray charms. And this is, these are really large, but this you can use for if you want to make a keychain. So I have that. I have 3 different styles. So this is another Prada. So if you are interested in doing keychains, I will have that on the website. I have Michael Kors keychain, and we have a Chanel in here. Okay, I must didn't bring it, but I do also have a Chanel charm as well. I may insert a picture so you can see that. I also have these. I think these are so pretty. These come in, one has a purple bow, and this one is a pink bow. So if you want to, you know, if you don't want all designer, I have some of those as well. These are just some little shoes. And I have some purses. So those will be available as well. Now, I also have Oh, you know what? Let me open this one first. So I ordered some logo stickers to kind of add to the bangles, just to you know, for branding. And this is how they looked. I ordered these on Etsy. So if you have a bangle business, it's always good to kind of brand your items. I think this was $30, I think, for 100, I think. And so you'll also need, and this is good for pictures as well, so people can't steal your pictures. You can kind of add that to the middle of the bangle. And I got this tagging gun. And I ordered this on Amazon. I may add it in the description box if you are interested in purchasing. I don't particularly like the color. It's like a army green, but this was $10.99 on Amazon. I don't really know. I'll have to figure out how to add this, but I think it came with, I think it's either 500 or 5,000 of these. So I guess I don't know how to work it, but I'll figure it out. But anyway, so, you know, once you'll just use this to kind of add this to your bangle there. And this is going to be a quick unboxing. I don't have much. I just kind of wanted to show you the charms that I have. I don't know what this is. This is probably either keychains or some necklaces. Oh, these are keychains that I ordered like probably, I want to say 3 months ago. And sometimes when you order things overseas, it's no guarantee that you'll actually get your product, which is why some people are very skeptical, and they would rather use US vendors, because you almost have a guarantee if you're using PayPal or anything like that to get your money back. Because like I've ordered stuff and it never came, and then I would put a dispute in, but they wouldn't give me a refund. So, you know, it's a 50-50 chance. So these are just some keychains. So if you're going to order these from me, you can, you know, buy keychains and you can add that to your site. I also made some logo stickers, just kind of testing it out. I did this on Canva and I think it came out pretty nice. I used the Avery DIY decals. The template number is 61512. So if you have Canva and you're interested, it's pretty easy to do. I think it came out pretty good. So that is, I told you this was going to be a really quick video. Please don't forget to follow my business page on Instagram at ardenlene_boutique. I'm trying to get to 500 followers. Also, if you have a business, please comment your website down below. I would love to check it out. And until next time, bye.